Format: long, maximum 600 seconds. Hello, little crafters. Today, we're going to make some beautiful spring flowers. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's gather our materials. We need colorful paper, scissors, a little bit of glue, and some fun markers. Now, it's time to cut our paper into pretty flower shapes. Watch closely. Next, we need to fold our paper flowers. Watch as these simple folds turn into beautiful petals. Now let's stick our petals together. Remember, take your time so we can make a perfect flower. Finally, let's add some greenery to make our flower really pop. It's always fun to personalize your crafts. Look at our beautiful spring flowers. How do you like them? Can you imagine your garden bursting with color this spring? Remember, it's not just about making pretty flowers. It's also about having fun and being creative. What did you enjoy most today? Wow, those flowers are looking great. But wait, what about the leaves? I have one last surprise for you. Stay tuned next time to learn how to make perfect greenery for your garden. This DIY spring flowers craft not only teaches children about the process of creating something from scratch but also promotes creativity, fine motor skills, and an appreciation for nature. It encourages them to embrace the joy of making things themselves and fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride in their work.